Guys, I did something. I got bangs. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I hope that life has been treating you well. I am here at home, my favorite place. We last left off when I was gonna go to H&M, check out some new pillowcases because I felt like I wanted to refresh my home for spring. Ended up just refreshing everything. As you can see, I got some bangs. I don't know why I had the urge to do it, but we went out, we got them. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Are bangs not your thing? Let me know. I guess it wasn't just for my home, it was for myself. So here we are. I had gone into H&M and there was so many really nice things, and typically I can find a lot of cute things there. I was on the website for CB2, I went to Crate & Barrel, I was on the website for West Elm, and I really do love all of these like interior and home design type of stores and furniture. I do think interior decor is like my passion aside from like singing and yapping. I do feel that when your home is decorated and useful in the way that you need it, it can elevate your life, it can make you feel a lot better, and I think once you feel better, you can then focus on, especially in your home, you can then focus on what you want to do and put your efforts towards somewhere else, because your home is like your sanctuary. It's where you come and relax and recollect and reassess everything that you want, all your goals, etc, etc. So I get really excited. Like I can visit a bunch of home stores. Like I could do nothing. I don't even need to shop. Like I do like clothes, but I think I prefer to go to home stores and really just like create a cool living space. Anyway, ended up going to H&M Home. There was nothing there that was kind of what I was looking for. There's a lot of things that I would have got, and then I was inspired by looking there, like, okay, maybe I could use that, maybe I would need something like so. Ended up going to a few other stores. None of them really had what I was looking for either, and at the price that I was looking for, because sometimes the things that we need don't need to be expensive, especially like a pillowcase. To me, it doesn't need to be $60. You don't need to break the bank trying to make your home look like a decent, beautiful home. Which, speaking of, and you guys will see in the video, the stool that's right behind me, I was looking to create more of like a natural feel to the home. I did want some more warm elements, so I've had like the wooden bowl that holds my projector, and you know, I can't have real flowers because of the boys. As you can see them, they end up eating real flowers, which are very toxic to them. Not that it stops them from eating these, but at least these are a bit safer, or a lot safer. Anyway, I wanted more of nature and natural elements in the home, so I was looking for a wooden stool, but everywhere that I've looked was just insanely expensive, not matching quality, okay? And that's what's really important to me. If I'm gonna put my money towards something, I'm gonna want it to have really good quality. Anyway, long story short, I've been looking for this stool maybe 4 months or so, or something like that, so it's not a very long time. The type of person that I am, I like things to be there right then and there. When I think of it or when I want it, I like to have it instantaneously, and it's fine. God has been teaching me patience for a long time. And on the day that I had messaged someone for like one of their vintage stools, there was a gentleman on the side of the street selling these, and I was like, oh my god, this is exactly what I was looking for. Because let me show it to you. Ugh, it's kind of heavy, and that's a good thing. These like organic shaped legs, and it's all natural wood. It's just such a beautiful piece to add to the home, and I was so excited when I found it. I feel like it just adds a little bit more character, if you may. But I do have an Amazon haul sitting in front of me that I wanted to share with you guys, so we can get into that. I just kind of wanted to add, this is a glow up with me in terms of internal and external. So yes, we got bangs, and yes, I do have a nail appointment tomorrow, but I did book a Pilates class. I haven't gone in so long, and yes, it does make you, with consistency, toned, and your clothes fit better, but it also is something that makes you feel better when you're taking care of like your machine and, you know, your body, and down the line you're just getting stronger and you can use it. I find that to be very important as well. So having that balance of like a mental clarity and your sanctuary, taking care of that helps you to glow up. So that is why we're here today. But without further ado, I'm a liar. I have one more thing that I want to show you. I went to TJ Maxx and Home Goods and Marshalls and all of those. I remember that I wanted a carafe, and I want that because I think I do not drink enough water. I know I don't drink enough water, which goes into glowing up and taking care of your beauty and all of that. I had gotten a filter, and that definitely helps a lot, but I don't like when water is freezing cold. So I just figured if I have a carafe that has a decent amount at room temperature for me and it looks beautiful, that will definitely help me with my intake. So whatever you need to do to take care of yourself, I know for sure that that's something that helps me. So went into TJ Maxx and all of that looking for one. However, something else did catch my eye. I did not have a serving tray, and I remember thinking to myself, I was like, I really would like a beautiful sterling silver tray to just, it just makes you feel luxurious. It makes life a little bit easier. It's useful, and it's also just really cute to have around the house. Now this tray, gonna rip the tag off for that. So beautiful. It has these flowers on the end, and it's nice and gold. The arms or the handles kind of have like a bamboo effect. So there we are. And now we can get into the Amazon haul. First things first is this really big box that had another really big box in it. Need a key. BRB. I'm back, no worries. Okay. So I went for the big box immediately because why not? Of course I know what this is. This is probably gonna be the carafe. And it definitely is because it says Bloomingville carafe with 6-ounce drinking glass, and it is made in India. Oh guys, this is so exciting. Take that off. And the most important thing I said, I was looking and really feeling green lately. You can see I'm really feeling the green vibes lately. So look at this beautiful glass. I love it. It's absolutely stunning, and it looks like there's water droplets in it. How beautiful is that? It kind of looks like a vase. Beautiful organic shape. This is not a bad price for one. This was as a set $30 something. It could double as both, but it's a carafe. Now my favorite thing about it, the cup goes right over it. Whenever I'm parched or thirsty, I could just, oh look here, my beautiful water. I love it. I'm so excited to use this. It's gonna help my water intake. I'll let you know how that goes. I will link it in my Amazon store with the rest of these items because I want to make your life easier. Next thing I have here, I'm unsure as to what it is. It's quite small, the box. I'm wondering, I got those pillowcases that I was telling you. What is this? This is so tiny. Ugh! I got a sterling silver cup for snacks, and it's so cute. I love it, but I did not expect it to be this small. I'm talking to Rasheed too now, because I thought it would be nice and big. I thought it would be like a full bowl to put. I mean, I may still keep it. Now I'm kind of complaining, but okay, look how cute this is.
That's true.
Right. I was thinking I was gonna put like a bowl of grapes or something in this. They played me so bad, but I think it's so cute. And if it was in the size that it was meant to be, even Angelo's pissed off, right? So if it was in the size that it was meant to be, it would be a great item. But this is just, now I'm gonna have to run to Whole Foods. Look what you did. I have to run to Whole Foods and I have to drop this off because why is it so goddamn small? And I won't be linking this below. Or maybe I will. I'll link it just in case you wanted something like this. I think this is so cute to kind of just put like your snacks on. Romanticize your life. When you romanticize your life, it makes you happy and it makes you glow. So this is so miniature. I'm kind of upset. Well, we're just gonna put that back. The next thing that we have here says, your home, your way, which exactly. Oh, they're like these green canvas pillowcases, which is what I was looking for. Hey, what do you think of this color? It's nice, right? I wish it was velvet. I was definitely looking for velvet. Let's take this out. Look at that. Perfect fit. Ta-da! And finally, after opening up 2 different boxes, 3 different boxes, now you might be like, what the hell is that? Okay, let me show you. This is a premium cheesecloth table runner. I got 35 by 120 inches and I got 3 of those, and or otherwise 90 centimeters by 305 centimeters. They are delicate and soft, romantic atmosphere, high quality, wrinkled texture, which is, I mean, that's exactly what I was looking for. Have you ever seen those very, very just simple modern weddings? Simple table, just a beautiful sheer runner, some roses, and like a gorgeous chandelier on top. Like, that's what I'm imagining. Now, my home doesn't have the capacity for all of that, but at the very least, I was able to grab these. And then I do have from H&M, which actually I'll show them to you guys, these beautiful like candelabras or candle holders that are in gold and that match the lamps. So I'm gonna show you what these look like opened. They're very, very wrinkly, sheer, and long. There's not too many words that need to describe this. I think it's more about a feel. And you'll see what I'm saying once I throw them on the table. And I'll go ahead and I'll share that with you. I got 3 of them. The table is not that long, I believe. You know, it's only 42 inches. I'm gonna take it from just like a simple everyday work table to a beautiful dinner table. Now, I'm probably not gonna keep this on all the time. It's just gonna be something when I have guests over or when I just want a little extra special something, you know? That is just all my home stuff. I did also buy two bags because I wanted something unique, and I was scrolling and somehow I ended up on these 2 bags and I was like, wait, these are really, really cute. I guess we can add that to the part of the glow up with me video, because you know what? Upping your style never hurts. So let me show you what the table looks like with the table runners on, and then I'll also show you the bags. I just realized only one of the bags has arrived, which I will be waiting for the second bag, but it's really, really cute. It kind of looks like the Freya bag that I got that I had showed you guys last summer, or almost like the Alaya Teco bag. Like, it has that really long shape. It's like a very 90s 2K type of style, but really, really clean. Now, I got it in the butter yellow, which I also went to Bergdorf looking, you know, to find like a luxurious robe, and I did notice that a lot of blue and yellow coordinations, like we know that butter yellow is the color of the season, which I called the year before. I was on it looking for a butter yellow set, and last year luckily I was able to find my butter yellow vest. So I ended up seeing that color bag and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute, why not buy it? We are waiting for that to arrive. Once it arrives, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Regardless, I'm gonna link it below, as well as the bag that I have just received. Now, this one is quite particular. This may not be everybody's cup of tea. Slouch bag. I got it in red because a burgundy bag. I have quite like more deeper colors, but I wanted just a simple red to have like that pop of color, like where you could just wear a very simple black outfit and then just have a pop of red. That's it. And growing up, red used to be my favorite color. Like, my outfits would be red head to toe, red sneakers, but I think just the bag is sufficient now. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. And you see it just kind of has like the exterior stitching, which I really, really like. And then just shake her out. You see how cute is that shape? That's so fun, and it's quite interesting, and I think it will look great for summertime. And it's just like a nice little bag, and it comes with your strap. You could do like a little cross the body strap, and it's quite minimal. Like, you see, you don't have to add those hooks or anything that's gonna show that it's not seamless. It's gonna be like a really fun, cute bag for the summertime. I'm so excited to wear it. And yeah, that does bring us to the end of this haul. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. You will see everything that I was talking to you about. I have a nail appointment tomorrow because but I will take you to that. I'm also going to do like a hair mask because this is day 3. It's time for a hair wash and a deep mask. So continuing the glow up. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question about anything, or if you have any comments, or if you can relate, or if you're going through your own glow up or you have your own glow up tips, please feel free to drop them below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy. Good morning, everybody. I am about to head out for the day. One thing before I head out, my new shoes just came in, so I ended up changing my outfit, which is very rational, yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you really quick. Wanted to share these with you because they're my staple, being a girly that walks around in New York. We just want really chic sneakers, and this is my 3rd pair of these. They're the Shocks. I have them in white, have them in black, and now I have them in this like beigey neutral, which I love a good beige. No! Perfect, thank you.
It's always
But that's not true. You see what I'm saying? There's a lot of beautiful things here, but it wasn't what I was looking for. Checked out the Magda collab, and I don't know why I thought anything would be left in the store if everything was sold out online. I am making my way around Bergdorf. I always love to check out Schiaparelli because wow. And I just wanted a really beautiful robe to kind of feel luxurious in. And while they were stunning, they weren't exactly what I needed, so I just started browsing the store. I ended up finding these two Christopher Esber dresses that I'm so obsessed with, and I'm gonna link them below, but the fit was magnifique. Everything about them was just so feminine and unique and gorgeous. It is spring cleaning time, and I'm definitely gonna miss those mules. Been meaning to get these bags out, so dropping them off. Bye bye. The weather was just so warm and stunning, and it looked like magic. It was so magical that I went back home, I changed. Rasheed and I just took like a walk in the West Village, and then we sat by the water, which is very calming to me. I just like to watch the water and get some vitamin D. Sun, eat some fruits, watch the boats. It's really relaxing. Wow, that's so pretty. Guys, and my grandma and I used to sit and roll this. This is called mashi. There's mashi korom. There's peppers. We're gonna do this color here. It's so pretty. It's like shimmery. I love them. And that is all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.